Good afternoon, everybody. Going to go over our Forex trades here in a minute for this Friday, April 29th. We had a full scalp trade, although we were trading half our normal size as we do it at the end of every month. Pulled out 11.3 pips on pound yen. We'll go over that in a second. First, the economic news. Personal income actually came in a 0.1% better, but personal spending came in a 0.1% less. So wasn't really a big factor as far as markets are concerned, but just wanted to point it out. Chicago PMI missed miserably, came in at 50.4. We're supposed to come in at 52.6, so that wasn't very good. Chicago PMI backlogs fell 11 points to 38.7, not too good there. University of Michigan consumer sentiment also missed estimates, came in at 89, was supposed to come in at 90. And March retail sales were revised worse, were revised to a negative 0.4% compared to the previous number that the government gave us was a negative 0.3%. So not too good there. Again, some bad economic news. Bill Gross came out, finally have a high-profile person admitting that central bankers and what they've been doing with QE and zero bound rates and even negative rates are not creating real jobs that create real economic growth. He came out and he said the only contribution to the economy that the Fed has given is that it's been able to show that it's been able to create jobs that are not adding real economic growth, i.e. minimum wage jobs, bartenders, waiters and waitresses. That's probably the most high profile person I've seen that has really come out with negative comments on what central bankers have been doing. There have been other guys, but they haven't really targeted the jobs. They talked about the economy and how things aren't picking up and inflation, what have you, but this was a direct hit to the jobs. And he fell short saying that unemployment's really not 5%. That would have been incredible. But at least he's, going in my mind, he's going towards the right direction. One other thing, Obama is going to go down in history as the only president in history to not see at least 1 year of 3% GDP growth in his 2 terms. So every president throughout the history of our country, whether it's a 1-term president or a 2-term president, saw at 1 year of at least 3% GDP growth. He will be the first to not do it. Yet he goes around saying how great things are. He was in Europe last week saying how he saved the world from a massive Great Depression number 2. Could you believe this? I mean, he wants to take the credit for stopping the economic collapse that we were seeing during the financial crisis. Incredible. Anyway, so let's get to the trade here. We had one trade, like I said, it was a full scalp. We were trading half on normal size, but it was a full scalp in pound yen. We were short 157. This was last night. We were short 157.751. In a matter of maybe 20 minutes or something, it came in, picked up 11.3 pips by covering at 157.638. Again, it's a scalp, so you're not looking to make 50, 100 pips, whatever. You're not looking to piece out. You're in, you're out. You're only going to risk, say, 20 to 30 pips, so you're not going to risk much compared to when you're looking to make 50, 100 pips, 100 and some odd pips, you're going to be risking 100 pips or so, maybe even 150 pips. This is just a pure scalp, and you can see what it did, unfortunately, literally after we covered. Probably within 15 or 20 minutes after we covered it, it came all the way down to the figure, broke through it, but then rebounded back. Held that figure till about 3:30 in the morning, and then it started to fall in again. Look where she ran. She ran all the way down to 156, almost 156 even. But still, hey, we'll take the 11.3. Like I said, it's a full scalp, so it's bigger size than our most trades are swing trades. So that's it. We're going to wrap it up. If you're still trading now, good luck. If any signals come out, they'll be coming your way. If we have some action on Sunday night or Monday, we'll do a video Monday. If not, have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week.